We have our ugu seed. As you can see, we'll be planting it now. We have cleared our soil where we'll plant our ugu. Different school of thoughts that says that it should be planted upwards because this is where it will be sprouting up from, and some other school of thought says some people that have planted ugu for a while, they say no, this sharp edge should be facing downwards to the roots. So we're going to plant this downwards for this particular soil. We're going to plant about 3 here, and then for the next one we'll plant. So and then this is the second one. We're going to be planting it downwards, and then this is the third one. This one we're going to be planting it on the side. Okay, we're going to be planting it facing this way. Okay, so we're going to see which one grows faster. This is the pointed, for this one this is the pointed edge, so I'll be planting it facing this way. So I don't know which one will grow first. We just need to plant. So this is the pointed edge. I'm going to be planting it this way, so the pointed edge is facing this way. Remember the first set we planted the pointed edge facing downwards, so we'll see which one. So we planted 2 here. We planted them on the same day. I'm going to plant one on that other end as well. So let's go. So this one I'm going to plant on this. I'm going to plant this one downwards as well. This is the pointed part. This is the pointed part. So I've planted one downwards. I'll plant this one facing this side. Okay, this is the pointed area now. So I'm going to plant it facing this side. The pointed area will face this side. Then this other one, I don't know which one will sprout. So I'm just planting. So I planted 3 here. The third one was facing downwards as well. So this one I'm going to plant on the side. I'll plant this one facing down, and then I'll plant this other one facing down. This is the ugu after a week and 2 days. So this is the other one planted this way. As you can see, it's coming out sprinkled. I'm excited. Oh my god. And then this is the other one we planted. So not everything has sprouted, but I'll be watching it to see. So this is another ugu stem. As you can see, it's had to force its way out from the soil, and look at what our ugu looks like. It's blooming and blossoming. I actually planted 3 here, but it's just 2 that has grown out so far. I'm so excited. This was the one I showed you. This is a week, and this is what it looks like at a week and 3 days now, or 4 days now. So the 3 that I planted here has come out, and then I planted 2 here. They're already out. I planted 3 here, but it's only 2 that is out. The third set, I just noticed that this particular one has come out, and the stem is really strong, as you can see. So this is what this one looks like now. This is the 4th set. This is the number 4 set that I told you that I don't know if because of the way it was planted, right? This one was planted facing to the side, while this other one was planted facing downwards. The pointed edge was facing downwards, while this one was facing, this particular one that has leaves was facing sideways. This one was facing downwards, if you look at the beginning of the video. So, but this is what it looks like as of today, a week and 5 days now. Here are my observations from this ugu planting experience. Now, if you plant the pointed part of the seed downwards into the soil, it will grow. If you plant the pointed part of the seed sideways, it will still grow. All that matters, or is most important, is that the seed gets sunlight, they get water, and the soil that is being planted on is a good soil. Another thing is the quality of the seed. So I believe that both school of thoughts are right. However, one of the things I noticed is that the seed that was planted with the pointed area facing to the side brought out their leaves faster than the one that was planted pointing downwards. So let me know your observation in the comments.